Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 8 general knowledge part 5th. Contents of this video. First, ever wonder why? First. Second point, personality development. Third, prime ministers of world. Fourth, women premiers of world. Fifth, famous explorer. Sixth, peaks of the world. Ever wonder why? First. Question number first. While playing cricket, the ball is picked with bat, then it bounces back. Why? This is the question. Answer. Why a ball bounces? This is because when a ball hits the ground, the part which hits the ground becomes slightly flattened as the quality of statistical material is to regains its floor shape. The ball bounces off the floor. According to the Newton's third law of motion, the force with which the ball hits the ground is reacted by a force exerted by ground on the ball. Hence, the ball bounces back. Means, why a ball bounce? This is because when ball hits the ground, the parts which hits the ground becomes slightly flattened as the quality of elastic material is the regains its floor shapes. The ball bounce off the floor. According to the Newton's third law of motion, third law of motion, action opposite reaction, so that ball bounce back. This third law of motion, Newton's third law of motion, follow when you hit the ball and after that touch the ground and bounce. Question number 2. Why does lightning flash? In the picture you see lightning flash. Answer. The atmosphere heats and cools. Pressures change are caused and air movement gets disturbed due to concentration and expansion of the atmosphere. The water droplets inside cloud have a positive electrical charge at the bottom of the cloud and a negative charge at the bottom. When the two charges attract each other, electrical energy is released in flash of light. It means atmosphere heats and cool. Pressure change causes an air movement gets disturbed due to the contractions and expansion of the atmosphere. Water droplet inside cloud have positive electric charge at the top of the cloud and negative charge at the bottom of the cloud. Then two charges attract each other, so electrical energy is released in the flash of light. There may also be a loud sound and thunder caused by the heating of the air and its sudden expansion. Since light travels faster, we see lightning flash before hearing. So this is the reason lightning flash on cloud, and you first one see the lightning flash, then hear the sound, because light travel very fast, near about 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, means speed of light is high compared to the sound. So first one light, so then after that hear sound. Personality development. How to deliver a speech. And so today I have to go to the stage for the first time. So I have to deliver a speech in front of the teacher. Here, when you are delivered some speech, then you mind your some points in your mind. First, topic on which have to speak should be thoroughly prepared. Second, no need to be nervous, be bold. Third, speak clearly, do not stammer. Fourth, stand properly and confidently. Fifth, speak in short sentences. Sixth, make eye contact. Look at your audience when you speak to them. Seventh, you talk should be friendly. Remember, they all want to hear you. So when you follow such point, then you develop your personality and easy way to deliver your speech in front of audience and any person. The Prime Minister's Gallery. Name of the Prime Minister of some countries are given below. Name the countries to which they belong. First, Narendra Damodar Das Modi, you know very well, present times Prime Minister of India. So you feel country India. Second, Sheikh Hasina, the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Third, Syed Al-Abadi, Haider Al-Abadi, Prime Minister Iraq. Fourth, Ranil Wickremesinghe, Sri Lanka. Country Sri Lanka. Ranil Wickremesinghe, country Sri Lanka. Stephen Harper, fifth figure, Stephen Harper, Prime Minister Canada. Six, David Cameron, country UK. Seventh, Nawaz Sharif, country Pakistan. Eighth, Shinzo Abe, country Japan. Ninth, Dmitry Medvedev, country Russia. 10th, Benjamin Netanyahu, country Israel. 11th, Jomo Kenyatta, country Kenya. All these the prime ministers of different country. The name of the prime minister and country. Next one, women's pioneers of the world. These great women are the pride of the world. They will always be alive in our memories. Read the clue and write their names. First, the first lady on the Indian screen, she was the guardian of Rabindranath Tagore. She was the first actress to receive Dada Saheb Phalke Award. The name of the great actress Devika Rani. Here the pictures of Devika Rani. Second question. She was born with maiden's name Spencer. She died in a car crash in Paris in 1997. The name of this great woman, Princess Diana. Here the pictures of Princess Diana. Third, she was one of the most popular and sensational actress of Hollywood in 1950. She died quite early at the age of 36. Here, the name of Marilyn Monroe. The name of Marilyn Monroe. Here the pictures of Marilyn Monroe. Question number 4. An American social activist and delegates to UN General Assembly. She had to draw up the Declaration of Human Rights at the UN in 1945. The name of this great woman, Eleanor Roosevelt. Eleanor Roosevelt. Here the figure of Eleanor Roosevelt. Question number 5. Born as Agnes Gongsa Bojoksy in Skopje, become a geography teacher. Later, she devoted her time to serve the sick, the poor, and needy. She won a Nobel Prize for Peace. The name of the great woman, Mother Teresa. 6. Former First Lady of USA. She got married to Greek shipping tycoon Aristotle Onassia. The name of this great woman, Jacqueline Kennedy. Here the figure of Jacqueline Kennedy. 7. This most beautiful acting queen started her career at the age of 9 years as Mumtaz. Her beauty and acting attracted the viewers and also the directors. She became a top heroine on time. Means in these times no any become a top heroine. The name of this great woman, Madhubala. Here the pictures of Madhubala. Famous explorer. First, known as Ice Woman, she was the first woman to fly over the North Pole and also explore Arctic Ocean. The name of Lois Orner Boyd. Second, first explorer to reach South Pole. First explorer to reach South Pole. One of the first to cross Arctic. The name of famous explorer Roald Amundsen. Third, English explorer. He sailed around Australia tracing its coastline. The name of famous explorer Matthew Flinders. Fourth, one of the first person to reach the bottom of the Challenger's Deep of the Mariana Trench. Bottom of the Mariana Trench. Jacques Piccard. Jacques Piccard reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench. Fifth question. First to fly across the Atlantic that have air travel acceptable. The name of the great famous explorer Charles. Question number 6. First European to explore parts of Africa and African viewers. The name of explorer David Levy. David Levy. Question number 7. First American to orbit the Earth in space. John Glenn. Question number 8. World's greatest explorer made 30 expeditions of North and South Poles. Found lost city of over in Oman Desert. The name of great explorer Ranulph Fiennes. Ranulph Fiennes. Peaks of the world. Question first, highest peak of the North America, Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley, highest peak of the North America. Question number 2, highest peak of the Caucasus Mountain, which lie in the southwestern Russia. The name of this peak, Mount Elbrus. Mount Elbrus. Question number 3, it is commonly considered as the highest summit in the Western Hemisphere, Mount Acongos. Mount Acongos. Question number 4, it is covered by glaciers up to about 40 square miles, also termed White Mountain. Answer is Mount Blanc. Mount Blanc. Question number 5. The name of this peak are 4 words which means hind treasuries of the great snow. The name of Kanchenjunga. Question number 6. Lake Quachi gives reflections of this peak in water. Answer is Mount Hughes. Question number 7. The central cone Kibo of this peak rises to 19,340 feet, the highest point in Africa. The name of this peak, Kilimanjaro. Question number 8. It was called peak in 1865. Now the name has been changed. The name of after the change, Mount Everest. Before 1865, peak 50. Hopefully you understand all is given content in this video. Your homework, write in your copy and learn them. Thank you.